guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So you guys just saw me straighten this wig from DIVASWIGS. Thank you so much for sending me this hair to review. So yeah, so I did the flat iron test on this hair just to see how it was straightened, and as you saw, it straightened with no problem. I'm wearing 22 inches of the Brazilian curly hair. This has a 150% density, and the cap size is a size, it's just the average size, there's nothing special about it, but average size cap. And the lace color is medium brown, and it does come with a pre-plucked hairline, and the color is a natural color. So as far as the wig itself, love it. I've got zero complaints. The wig is very comfortable for me to wear. I can definitely wear this all day. As far as the density, it feels great, even with straighten, even in its natural state, it felt like more than 150% density, which was lovely for me because you definitely do not want to feel like it is less than what you paid for. So that was perfect. The length definitely is 22 inches, if not longer, it feels like. The hair is Brazilian hair, but it feels so different. It feels really good. This hair, it's not too like silky, it's not too like stringy or anything like that. The color, is just perfect. The texture as well is just perfect. I don't know, you guys, it's a really, I like this hair. As far as any tangles, I got tangles. I'm not gonna hide that from you guys. I got tangles with this hair. It is curly hair, and that's just expected. I've gotten some shedding as well with straightening the hair. I'm sure you guys saw in the video, I got some hairs that came out just like I would probably if I was straightening my own hair. So if I'm getting like tangles and shedding while I'm styling my hair, that's no big deal to me. I feel like everyone does get one or the other, if not both. What I look for is after I have styled my hair. So after I flat ironed it and after I put my product in it, if I want to leave it curly or not, am I still getting those tangles and shedding and all that kind of stuff. So that's what you want to keep a lookout for. Go ahead and do a curl test for you guys. Let's see if maybe we put some curls in this, how it will hold. Oopsie. How the hair will hold and how well it curls. It definitely curls very well when you do it the right way, because I did not do this the right way. It's not horrible, but it's not great either. So yes. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this review, you guys. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please leave them down below. I will also leave some coupon codes down below for you, just in case you are interested in purchasing, so you can save some money. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not already, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, somewhere up here. Did I put up there? At JMarie. And that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.